Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? In today's video, we'll talk about some rare and valuable wheat pennies, how much they sold for, and why they sold for so much. Let's get right into it.
Like and subscribe. Bye.
The picture you're looking at doesn't do justice to this nice-looking 1917 wheat penny. Wheat cents were minted from 1909 to 1958. In between the Indian head pennies and the current memorial pennies. The penny pictured here is actually a double die. High-quality examples of this era coin are difficult to come by. I encourage you to go back and check any 1917 wheat cents you and your family have stashed away in coin albums or jars and look for this error. Here are some examples of the doubling from the website doubledie.com. You can see clear doubling on each of the numbers in the date as shown here, as well as each of the letters in the motto, "In God We Trust." The eyelid of Lincoln is also doubled, as you can see right here. This wheat cent was graded Mint State 64 by PCGS and was given the red-brown designation for the color of this penny. This coin sold at Heritage Auctions for $3,461. No pennies were minted by the Philadelphia Mint in 1922. So how do you explain this 1922 Lincoln penny with no mint mark? Because these pennies were only minted in Denver, every one of them should have a D mint mark. A relatively small amount of them don't because of overused dies and excessive die polishing. Eventually, the mint mark basically wore off the die and was never repunched. This mistake wasn't caught at first, but eventually collectors figured it out and identified this rare variety. There's a weak reverse and a strong reverse variety of this no-D wheat penny. This is the strong reverse variety. This penny was graded Mint State 64 red-brown and sold at auction for $63,000. Some of the most valuable coins in existence aren't error coins or varieties. They're the finest known coins that exist for that specific year and mint mark. This 1926 San Francisco minted wheat penny is the single finest known example for this year and mint mark. Both PCGS and NGC only have one example each in Mint State 65 red, with none finer known to exist. I would like to know the story of this penny here. It's in really good condition and maintained its color 99 years later. You won't find any problems with this penny except for a partial fingerprint on the lower left part of the reverse of this penny. So how much is the top pop grade for the 1926 S wheat penny? This beautiful coin sold for $149,500 at Heritage Auctions. If you enjoyed this video, share it on social media. It helps more than you can imagine. Thanks for watching.